David here with D-Wall RC. Told you I had a project coming and it showed up today. There's my little Draco. Here's the box of my big project. I'm not going to go through an unboxing video. There's other ones out there. I'm not going to bore you with that. I will go through the other box. Back here. All the goodies that go with it. The batteries for the nighttime lights. 4651 receiver and the cable. Six cell 5200 light packs. And for size comparison, the wing bag. There's my little Draco. Gonna be 2 wings in there, so that'll give you a comparison on the size. I'm gonna get busy putting this thing together this weekend. It's supposed to be 25 to 30, 35 mile an hour wind, so probably won't get a maiden flight in. I hope to have it mounted with my Spectrum receiver all built up, and we'll check back in later. Hey, stay tuned, check, subscribe, click that bell if you want to see this big bird fly. I hear great things about it. I want to see what they're talking about. Don't forget, click that bell. Thanks. Well, like I said, I'm not going to do an unboxing video, but here it is unboxed. It's big. Got my Tennessee orange colors on there, pretty close to it. Fuselage with a massive hatch. I don't know if you can see down in there, but it's big. Runs on a 6 cell. Battery. Wings, horizontal stabilizers, vertical stabilizer, the cowl that's all over there in the front. I have to paint my pilot figure up, make that a little better instead of looking like an alien. Got some issues going on there, but we'll take care of that. But this is it, the Flex Innovations RV8 G2 6S power. Can't wait to get it together, get it out, get it in the air for all y'all, and remember, smash that button. You want to see it go. Thanks. Well, guys, here she is in all her glory. She is assembled. Still had to hook up my control linkages, set my radio up, but 2.5 hours. I did have to run to the store, pick up some alcohol. I didn't have the rubbing alcohol to clean the epoxy up, but about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours of assembly time. I still got to put the linkages on, but I've already tested out the lights for night flying. It's going to be slick. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll get to watch the maiden flight of this big bird. It's going to be exciting. Thanks for tuning in to D-Wall RC.